Hey girl, welcome to this channel. Today, y'all, is going to be exciting. Today I am doing a hairstyle that I saw by Diary of a Hairstylist. She's on Instagram as Hair by Mika. The first day that I saw this girl's video, I fell in love with her. Her work is so neat. Her bobs, man, she cuts very nice. Now, I am not a cosmetologist, and so I have not learned how to cut exactly. But I'm a visual learner, and so when I watch, I can pick up a few things. But y'all, it's nowhere compared to what she does. But I'm going to give it my very best, okay? The first video that I saw of Diary of a Hairstylist, and I'm giving her all the credit. This is me trying to do a curly bob, quick weave. The hair that my model brought was a little bit shorter, and so I didn't quite get the length the way that she had it, but we worked with what we had. Mind you, I had watched her video probably like 2 days prior to me doing the hair, and so I was just going by memory. So I'm going to play her video side by side, and you're going to be seeing what she's doing and what I am doing, okay? There is something going on with my camera. My batteries are dying so fast. Something is going on. I'm not exactly sure, but every time I turn around, my camera has stopped recording. And so there are parts of this hair that I don't have recorded. And so I'm going to show you how she did it, which is what I watched. So I'm going to play her video in place of where I missed mine. And then you can see, and then we will catch up to my video where I have, okay? That's what I'm saying makes sense. Since my camera, man, I can't speak English. Since my camera did not record certain parts of doing the hair, I'm going to play her video for the parts that I lost or that I don't have so that you can see what it is that I did. Okay, because after all, I was copying her. So you will see what it is that I did in the parts that you don't see. So I'll show her a video and then we will continue with me doing the hair. So I know that she puts a cap over. So first of all, this is not a tutorial, okay? So if you want to see how she did this thing, I will link her video underneath the description box, and you guys can go watch her and get the details of how she did this hair. Basically, I was just emulating what she did. And so this is not a tutorial. I'm not going to be telling you do this and do that and do that, because she has a really good detailed tutorial how to do this thing. It's her thing, so I'll let her explain because I am not an expert in this part of the hair. So just watch, and if there's anything I need to come say to you guys, I will come and say it to you. You will also see that because I was doing it from memory, there are certain parts that I missed. There's certain parts that I didn't do exactly like hers. But you know what? This is the first time I did something she's done. I really enjoyed it. I even sent her a DM, which I don't think she's seen. But she has said, if you try it, tag her. So I DM'd her and I was like, hey, I'm going to be making this video that's dedicated to you. So when you get a chance, watch it, blah, blah, blah. So I hope she gets to see this video. Of course, I hope she at least sees the attempts that, I made. The model was like, girl, try it on me. I said, why not? So I tried it on her. She loved it. And that was it. I think I did a pretty decent job. for not for just watching a video and emulating it, So I hope you guys enjoy videos like this. If you do like videos like this, please tell me in the comment section so I can find more videos like this and make them for you. Mind you, YouTube flags when people use other people's content. Even though I'm just using this content to show you guys how I learned or how I am trying to do a bob wig like Diary of a Hairstylist, I am only praying that YouTube does not flag me for using her item to do this. Meanwhile, I'm giving her all the credit, right? So anyway, if YouTube flags this video, then I probably will not make any more videos using other people's material, because I am in no way claiming that this is my material or this is my style. I'm giving her all the credit and I'm saying, hey, she did something awesome. I wanted to give her the credit and show my appreciation by copying what she did and tagging her and linking her video and letting you guys know where all this came from and who she is, so you can go back to her channel and check her out. So if you guys like videos like this, let me know. And let's pray that YouTube does not flag me. But if YouTube does, I ain't making any more videos like this because I don't want any trouble. I just wanted to show you guys, we all get on YouTube and we learn, right? I also learn a lot from YouTube. So instead of just learning something and doing my own thing, I figured I show you how I am trying to do something that somebody has done by trying to remember her steps. And so you can compare, her style and mine, just judge and be like, oh yeah, you were able to achieve what she achieved, or you did pretty good, you know what I mean? This is supposed to be fun. So anywho, you guys share the videos and comment, please. And if you are my OG, thank you. You know I love you. And if you are new and this is your first time coming to this channel, oh man, you are appreciated. Thank you. Welcome. I hope you will stay, join the fam, introduce yourself. Do not be shy. Okay? So I will see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Wash your hands. Social distance. Take care. Be careful. I love y'all. All right. See you in the next video. Bye.